It truly feels like walking through Monet's paintings with a million other people. We are in, well, not in Rouen,
But very close though.
very close to Rouen, on camping.
La Forêt.
This is our first tour 2022
Yeah.
that we are doing
Yep.
and testing out. And we were inspired by
By Claude Monet, or Monet as you say, but we say Monet. It's French.
So we are doing the Monet Trail here. And we've got 2 rides that we're going to test the next coming days.
And the city of Rouen.
And the city of Rouen. But to make it more complicated, tomorrow we're doing ride 2. And then the day after we're doing ride 1.
Tonight? What's tonight for dinner?
Well, we've already done some groceries before we got to the campsite. So we'll just have dinner here, chill out, and
Let's stay at home. Good morning, Muriel. What's for breakfast?
Pain au chocolat.
Today we will do ride 2 of our tour. Okay, Rouen. We are here at the campsite somewhere. We will go up and then via the Pont du Breton here, and here back to the campsite. And ride 2 is leading us to Honfleur. That's on the coast, and we will see if we can get some fruits de mer. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is bad luck. It will be Muriel's bike and the bus.
so we were very, very, very happy that we could borrow my dad's bike. Because Johan's bike is still waiting for parts that have to come from the USA. And then my dad, because due to like medical reasons, he's not riding at this moment. He said, "Well, you can take my bike," but his battery was flat like 2 weeks ago, so he had it brought into the dealers, and they said that his trickle charger was broken. So they recharged his battery, checked everything, sold him a new trickle charger. So yeah, I picked it up and drove it home, got it on the trailer because that was also a challenge. And then this morning when we wanted to start the bike, flat battery again, dead. And I did bring, just in case, I did bring the trickle charger that he bought, but it wasn't doing anything, so I phoned the dealer. Well, checked the fuse. I did check the fuse, nothing wrong there, and well, they said you can go somewhere and try to get a new battery, but you know, with this history, I'm there with Johan, and he said no, I'm not riding that bike. It's right next to my trailer now, so I will pick it up and we will get it back to my dad's house, and then they will have to do something to it. So right now I'm not riding solo because Johan is just behind me in the van. Just gonna have to make the best of it.
that's a good thing that we test this route. This is not allowed. And look at this. It looks delicious. Gorgeous. So here we go.
Almost at the campsite, but I think I understand that this is the light that really inspired Monet. It's really beautiful, and I hope that you can see it on the video as well, because it's really, well, makes everything soft, like an impressionist painting.
What a day!
Yeah, well, it was different than we, well, hoped for and planned and whatever, but it was a nice day.
It was a nice day. I had to keep up with Muriel's riding, and that was pretty hard in the van, but okay, hard work. Hard work pays off, because I had a very big 3D mirror, and I don't even like 3D mirror.
So it's not Johan's day.
No, it was okay.
And I have to say that if you do this ride on a bike, and then, well, we're going to decide what we're doing tomorrow.
Good morning.
Having a pain au chocolat again. And Johan had a change of mind. So
Yeah.
what's the plan, Johan?
I found this book, and we will see if we can start the bike by using cables from the battery of the bus. And yeah, let's see if that works. And then go to the Harley dealer, check the battery there.
And then go into Rouen today to check, well, the city and accommodations to be doing the right one tomorrow together, hopefully then. So that's the plan for today. Parking moto à droite. Bienvenue à HD Legend. What is 76 in France? 76. Merci, Johan. So we are here at the Harley Davidson in Rouen, and it's called HD Legend 76. And I'm from 76, so I hope to be a HD Legend. Anyway, so they checked the bike, checked the battery, and it's good. We don't know what's wrong, but anyway, they really did a good check, and we are ready to go. But I just want to show you this nice dealership. Thank you so much.
It was free. Whoa, I'm very close to the camera.
Oh, apparently we didn't have to pay shit here. So that was very, very service-like. So, HD Legend 76, Rouen. Go check them out if you need something or just want to have a coffee, because they had nice coffee upstairs. And a lot of bikes. Mostly Harleys, of course. Rouen is the capital of Normandy, and it's been a commercial thriving city because of its location at the River Seine, giving direct access to the sea. Well, woof, 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 woof. At one of the most famous sites of Rouen, Le Cathédrale. And this, to be honest, was the inspiration of our tour here, because Monet made more than 30 paintings of this cathedral, with the changing light and the changing seasons. So that's why we wanted to go here. And they call it a lacework of stone. But maybe we can show it better if we turn the camera, or at least go out of your way.
Cheers.
How was your day?
Very good. We did some riding, about 80 kilometers in total. Yeah. Some hotels, checking. Rouen is a lovely city. Really enjoyed it. And now some cooking.
And the beer.
Cheers.
Good morning, sun is shining. And how are you feeling, Johan?
Perfect. Coffee, orange juice, pain au chocolat. Let's go for a ride.
What are we doing today? One of the monastery.
Now we will go here, here, here.
Well, what are we doing?
We are visiting the gardens of Monet.
Well, we're queuing up. That's
Oh,
what
yeah.
I was saying. Look.
And did you know that water lilies are the most dangerous plant in the world?
Oh, no, why?
Stick your head under it for 5 minutes and you're dead.
It truly feels like walking through Monet's paintings with a million other people. I want to get out! Wow, this used to be a quiet village. But it is time to head back to Rouen. But first, try to get out of Giverny. What a view!
Yeah, beautiful.
Rouen. Perfect ending of our ride here in the Normandy.
To the next step, Roche or Nodin.
So, if you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you missed